Golf Guy Nick here once again, this time with Martin Chuck of Tour Striker and of Tetherow Golf Club in Bend, Oregon.
And I'm a Northwest golf guy.
Absolutely. Martin, tell us about, this is a 7-iron Tour Striker right here?
This is a 7-iron Pro. Basically how this works, guys, is that we have an elevated leading edge, and I've taken away the feedback from the golfers have when they try to pick, flip, or scoop at the golf ball. You can't do that and get away with it. You have to learn how to have a little bit of forward shafting, a little bit of downward strike.
Perfect. And it's available in, standards 8-iron.
We got 5 of them now. We've got a sand wedge, we've got an 8-iron, we've got the Pro, which I really like most of you Northwest golf folks to get. The Pro X, which is a really tough one, and then the 5-iron, which is challenging too, but great feedback. You know, it's all about getting the hands ahead, learning how to sequence that release the proper way.
And can you find it only online, tourstriker.com?
You know, in Seattle and Portland, in Putts Golf, they've got them, and a couple of golf shops. And Pro Golf in Bend, they have them. Of course, you can get them online at tourstriker.com.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Martin.
My pleasure, guys. Great to see you.
Absolutely.